Hold on, not yet.
3, 2, 1.
Where'd it go?
Right
It's
there.
up there.
Holy moly.
Oh, it did.
Oh, it didn't open the. Brian's gonna burn him down.
Yeah. Good. All right, here we go. Here we go.
Okay, ready?
5,
Shoot it.
4,
3,
2,
1.
Pretty good.
That one
Hey, we
went-
might actually have this one back.
That went higher than the other one.
It
Oh, it's
did.
coming down.
Oh!
Oh, shit, it
Oh, it
parachuted.
kicks.
Oh, it's coming in.
Oh,
Catch it!
shit.
Catch the guy!
It's gonna be out in the water.
Brian, I think you can jump for it.
Oh, now I see it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1.5.
Whoa, that one.
Thing's freaking gone.
That one went really high.
Oh, there it is. It's got the parachute out.
Where?
Right
there. Right there.
Right up here. It's smoking.
That one actually was
Coming
better
up,
than the
it's,
bigger one.
Yeah,
You'll see
that
it.
one went really.
It's right. Oh,
Oh, I lost it.
Right
I
there.
lost
Oh, it's right there.
Oh, it's right there.
How did it go? The aliens got it.
it's way up there. It's
It is
way up
way
there.
up
on the
there.
left. It's way up there. Dang, that thing is up there, huh?
Where the
It's headed out towards the water.
1,100.
It's gonna land in
It's
West
way up there.
Bremerton.
Yeah. Might land at my house. God damn.
Oh, I see.